Curious about how much life is left in your tires? For a quick check, the Penny Test works wonders. It's simple and effective. Also, try our Tire Tread Life Calculator. You can find a link to our article with the calculator in the description below. Whether you're cruising in a family sedan, off-roading in a truck, or carving canyons in a sports coupe, taking care of your tires is key. A good set can typically last you 50 to 60,000 miles, but that depends on your driving style and maintenance habits. Here's the deal. Shallow tread depths mean longer braking distances, especially on wet roads. Keep in mind that less than 2/32 of tread is not just unsafe, it might even be against the law in your state. Most tire professionals, myself included, recommend replacing your tires when they reach 4/32 of remaining tread depth. The performance difference in wet weather between 2 and 4/32 is significant. Here's a pro tip. Keep your tires in top shape by checking their pressures monthly. Get them rotated every 5,000 miles and aligned every 10,000 miles. And remember, even tires that still have plenty of tread depth remaining get old and begin breaking down from dry rot. After 6 years, it's time for new tires. So there you have it. Stay on top of maintenance and keep an eye on those tread depths. Good luck and happy motoring.